Have you ever wondered how to attract anyone, especially girls using psychological tricks? Yes, kid, you're in the right place. We'll reveal techniques to make you irresistible. Remember, it's not about manipulating people, it's about understanding human behavior and using that knowledge wisely. So don't miss any point, because you will regret later, and drop a like to this video. So let's get started. 1. Be confident. Imagine walking into a room and everyone notices you. Confidence is like a magic aura around you. It's about walking tall, speaking clearly, and looking people in the eye. To attract anyone, especially girls, you need to be confident. Stand straight, talk with assurance, and let your body show that you believe in yourself. This isn't about being arrogant, it's about being comfortable with who you are. Confidence attracts people like a magnet. 2. Stay mysterious. Mystery is powerful. People are drawn to what they don't fully understand. Don't share everything about yourself right away. Reveal bits and pieces of your story, but keep some parts hidden. This makes you intriguing and makes others want to know more about you. Think of it like a thrilling book that keeps readers hooked, always wanting to read the next chapter. 3. Listen actively. People love to feel heard and understood. One of the best techniques is active listening. Pay close attention to what she says, nod, and respond with genuine interest. When you listen carefully, you make her feel important and valued. This simple act can create a strong emotional bond and build trust, which is the foundation of attraction. 4. Use body language. Your body can say a lot without words. Your eye contact, gestures, and facial expressions matter. Maintain eye contact to show confidence. Use open body language to seem friendly, and mimic her gestures subtly to create a connection. A warm smile can break barriers, and a light touch on the arm during a conversation can create a special connection. 5. Create emotional moments. Human emotions are complex. To attract someone deeply, create memorable moments. Share times of joy, excitement, and even vulnerability. These emotional ups and downs create a deep bond and make her feel alive when she's with you. It's the excitement of unpredictability that keeps her interested. 6. Be valuable and scarce. People want what is valuable and rare. Show her that your time and attention are precious. Don't always be available. Make her miss you a little. This makes your presence more special. When you are together, make it meaningful. Quality is more important than quantity. This tactic shows you are valuable, making her want to earn your attention. 7. Show strength and leadership. Strength and leadership can be very attractive. This isn't about being bossy, it's about showing you can take charge and protect. Be decisive, stand by your principles, and stay strong in tough times. Women often look for men who are stable and secure, someone who can handle life's challenges gracefully. 8. Give genuine compliments. Everyone likes to feel appreciated. Compliments are powerful if used correctly. Instead of generic praises, focus on specific things that make her unique. This shows you really see her and appreciate her individuality. Be genuine and don't overdo it. Authentic compliments are more impactful and believable. 9. Use the push and pull technique. The push and pull technique is a classic strategy. It's about showing interest and then pulling back a little. This creates anticipation and keeps her guessing. When she feels you're pulling away, it makes her want to get your attention back. It's a delicate balance that creates a strong attraction. The secret to attraction, remember, dark psychology is about understanding and influencing behavior ethically. These techniques aren't about tricking people, they're about creating real connections. Use these strategies wisely and always respect others. Attraction is about being the best version of yourself and naturally drawing people to you. Do subscribe if you want to become unstoppable and drop a like to this video. See you soon.